Sunday morning on Saturday. And I was singing, and he came in that door, at sabi niya, I thought that you were singing. Akala ko gusto na kumakanta ka. Bakit? Yung pala, akala ko, yung pala maingay na sa labas. But I was singing. To him, it was a noise. But I was singing. But you know, I could sing anything. You know, at home, I could sing with my children. And sometimes I bro, so what's your problem, my son? Don't I have the power to do something? I would sing those things. How about that? At home, would you do it? You look foolish, but you are communicating. And I would normally, you know, if I see my daughter, Jolie, so what are you doing? And sometimes, you know, so we're happy. That's a happy family. Amen. Why don't you do it? You could sing in the movies and you could, very nice, very good. Do it at home. Alright? You sing it. Sing what's in your heart. Sometimes it's Sister Mara. Dear, you used to be beautiful. Now you are more beautiful. I must say, nakahiga kami ni Sister Mara. Isang galit sa akin yan. Sabi ko, ano yung ginawa ko isang araw? Tawa siya. Sabi ko, maganda. Galit siya. Kantahan mo siya. Invento ka ng kanta. Di ka ba napupugihan? Sa tawa siya. Hindi natanggal ang galit niya. Hindi ba? Gawin niyo, mga lalaki. Gawin niyo. Sa mga asawa niya, pag galit sila, huwag yung baka natin lang. Galit ka, galit din ako. Matigas ka, matigas din ako. Siya kung matigas ako, malambot. Kaya sabi, nagbubugbungan kami. Pero, masaya pa rin sa huli. So, sabi ko, may reward yun. Ba't ko ginagawa yung kalungkuhan? Hindi. Alam ko na may kakakantungan, maganda ibubunga. Oo nga, sa tingin ng tao, mga kalungkuhan lang. But do it. So, friends, I say that, you know, everything that we do, as long as we are doing it for the Lord, there is a reward. There is a great reward. God will not fail us. He promised and He will do it. And yet, many times we look for a material reward. Those are the material